Damn, Danielle! Back at it again with another video.
Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on.
Okay guys, Danielle here and welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. So if you guys seen or been watching my videos, you've noticed that I have done faux locs before on my channel, but I found basically like a new technique that works for me, and I really wanted to share it with you guys because this new technique that I found out how to do is just so easy, and the products that I found to use like just gonna save like so much freaking time. Like guys, you don't even understand how much time you're gonna save using these products. If you watch my previous videos, like I mentioned before, it's nothing wrong with those, the ways that I did it then. This is just a more easier way that works for me, and I found more products that seem to work better. So y'all know this shining gel. I don't know the top at whatever, but this shining gel, y'all know how, and this is what it looks like right here. This shining gel or shining jam is the one that everybody use for their hair, but this does not work for my hair. My hair eats this stuff up like just eat it up, just eat it like it haven't ate food in days. So this does not work on my hair, but I found this shining jam and this says for braids, and this is what it looks like, guys. I've never seen this before, so when I went to the beauty supply store today and I seen it and it said for braids, I had to grab it. And so far my hair loves it. I never seen my hair look so freaking sleek before. Like honestly, I've done my braids and locks and everything on my hair before, and I've never seen a product that works so well with my hair than that product. So obviously, you know the things you're going to need for this hairstyle. You're going to need a faux locs. Obviously, you're going to need a comb so you can do your plaits. Mine are in individuals, and I have about 4 left right here on my head. So you need a comb to do the plaits, some jam. This is the jam that I use right here. You're going to need your crochet needle, and you're going to use your hair. I'm using the Bobbi Boss New Locs French tips. So these are the crochet, and these are 36 inches, and the tips on these are very like a little wavy. So this is what the ends of mine looks like. It's like super wavy. That's the reason why I got it, because it was like so freaking cute. The price of this is the same as the other one that just has a regular tip, or it's $1 less. I think the other pack was like $18.99. This was like $17.99. Obviously, it's gonna be the same price because of the inches. So I got 3 packs of this, but I only used 2 on my head. So obviously, I'm probably gonna hold on to that because I was about to say I'm gonna need my money back, but I'm probably hold on to that. And then you're also gonna need some of this right here. So Freetress came out with pre-fluff hair. So it's basically like the spring twist hair or the water wave hair, but it's pre-fluff, so you don't have to fluff it out. Like this is it right here, guys. So Freetress pre-fluff hair right here. And this stuff is so bomb. So basically this is 16 inches because I cannot find it in 20 inches at my beauty supply store in my color, I guess, because they keep selling out of it or whatever the case may be, but I can't find it. And 20 inches, so I just got 16 inches, and this was $7 a pack. And this is what it looks like because I already have some out, so it's pre-stretch already. So basically this is like one little thing, and it's pre-fluff and everything. So basically I don't even use like this whole thing. I would split this one in half like you would do if you was doing regular locs. I would split this in half and use like this, half of this at the top and half of it at the bottom if I need more. So that's the best thing about this pre-fluff hair. So I pretty much done talked, so let's just get into how I do this. Let's start from up here so you guys can see. So I'm gonna start from this one right here, and this is my lock. Again, it has like the little wavy piece on the end. And with this, I found out that if I don't want to make it like lumpy at the top, I'm basically going to take my finger, put it through the lock, and pull like some of the hair. Like some of the hair away from the loop. I'm then going to put my hand through that part, right? So where's my crochet needle? I'm gonna take my crochet needle and I'm sticking it through the braid. The skinny part of the hair, you're gonna attach that. Instead of attaching the whole loop, you're only gonna attach that small piece of loop. Close it and pull it through, right? So obviously the whole thing is not gonna come through because it's too thick, but that small piece, we're gonna pull our braid through that, and this is what it looks like. So obviously this is the rest of the hair, and then this is like the braid that I pulled through. So this is what it looks like right here. Let me get closer so you guys can see. So y'all see, I was just trying to make sure you guys can see. So now now it's time to get some of this pre-fluff hair. And again, remember I basically separate that because that's like a lot of hair. I don't crochet this hair through the braid either. This is what I do. So I take a little piece and I grab my lock, my braid, and then I basically wrap it around until I get it tight. And then I start wrapping down at the bottom. This, so you won't have that like bulky part right here at the top. So when you're wrapping the hair around, you're basically just blending in that lumpy part. So the lumpy part is going to kind of like stick out of it. I cannot talk for some reason. So the lumpy part is going to kind of stick out of the hair like that, and it's basically going to make it look like distressed locks. And you know how to do like the distressed butterflies. You basically just going to throw the hair over and just make it like loose and then pull it tight to certain parts. That's basically how I get like the butterfly distressed look. And I keep going until I don't have no more. And I wrap that last little piece around. And then I take the second part of my curl. What is this? What is this called? It's called water poppy twist. So I'm going to take the other half of my water poppy twist. And then again, I'm going to do it the same way. I got a small piece in my hand right here and a longer piece. And I'm just going to start wrapping. Throw, pull, throw, pull, throw, pull. Basically just do that until I run out of this hair. So basically if the hair was longer, it would have helped a lot because I basically would have just pulled it down more. And some of these, they look a little skinnier. So I am going to go back over it with some more of this water poppy twist hair and bring it down. But you see how it looks. Basically this is how the lock look. And it's like, y'all see that it's like flat right there on the head and everything. Like, oh man, is my part crooked? And why I just try to turn it like my hair gonna turn? I think my part crooked. It is what it is now. So we're just gonna do the same thing and then move on to the second one. Got my crochet. Gonna stick my hand through the whole thing, but we're only gonna take a little piece because that's what we need. Stick the needle through, put that small piece on the hook, pull just that small piece through. Pulling the braid. You gotta ensure too that huge part of the crochet that we didn't use, because we're gonna use the small part. You gotta make sure you kind of like pull it through because you don't want it to look lumpy like at the bottom. I've done that. Let me see if I have one right here. I don't know if you guys can kind of see what it's lumpy because I didn't really blend it out all the way. So take some of my hair, pull it through like this. I think I'm gonna twist this way. So remember, you're going to twist it around the edges so it can get really, really tight around the braid. And then you're going to start, oh, mine's not tight enough. I want it tighter. Okay. Then you're going to start moving down the hair. Woo. My arms get really tired doing this, guys. The second part. And that's that one right there. So these are the two I just did. I did this one and this one. And I have 2 more left. So, oh, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. So I started, because I already had some locks in, but it was jumbo locks and I wanted them much smaller. So let's just say I started braiding my hair around 5. I got finished like taking out, reparting, braiding my hair around 7 or 8, and I started doing this. So it has been a process. It has been a process. But putting in the locks just like that, like I was moving in fast putting these in. You guys just seen, like I only been recording for 12 minutes and I don't talk most of that. So putting the locks in, it's not taking no time. You actually move pretty fast. So now I'm gonna take some of my Surfer 8 lock, twist, and braid oil. Y'all know I live by Surfer 8 products. Like, no. Y'all know I swear by Surfer 8 products. Like, I just love their products. But this is their braid oil. Put a little bit on my hair. Y'all know I gotta keep it moisturized. Keep it not dry. This is what like the back of it looks like. And then I'm gonna stand up and show you guys what it looked like. But now I'm about to do my edges right quick. So let me do my edges. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So obviously y'all know what I'm using for my edges. The 24-hour. I recently just wore the half up, half down, and y'all, I thought I was so cute. Put it in the ponytail. It is so cute. I love. Oh, okay. So I did my edges on. Y'all know I'm not really all that good with edges. I did the best I could, but y'all know I be want to do more sometimes because my edges by my eyebrows, they so freaking long. They come all the way out to like my freaking face. Like, let me stop and show you guys what you look like. Y'all see this? I'm trying to show this on the wall, but this is what it looks like right here. These are the ends. Okay, so obviously some of these are a little tight, but they're gonna loosen up over days. But yeah, I love them. Like, I absolutely love them. Out of all the lots that I did, these have to be my favorite. I just don't know why. Maybe because the little curly tips are just giving me like beachy vibes or whatever. I don't even know. But yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, you know the deal. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, subscribe, guys. Again, I'm gonna show you guys what I use one more time in case you guys just skimming through the video. Use this Locs brand right here, 36 inches, and I use this pre-fluffed hair to wrap the hair. I only use I use 2 packs of the dreads. This is 2 packs of dreads, not even 2 full packs, because I still have like 4 left. I think it's like 4 or 5 left. So let's just say 2 packs. I use 2 packs of the dreads, and then I use 1.5 packs, because here go the other half, and I'm dropping some of it. So I use 1.5 pack of this, and basically 1.5 packs for the dreads. So basically I didn't even have to use a lot of products for this hairstyle. So honestly, I didn't even have to buy the extra products, but I have it, so I'm gonna use it for later in case I want to touch up my hair or whatever. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.